Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome to SK Dreams. This vlog depicts some glimpses of my trip to Alberta Legislature building, which was in response to an invitation by Mr. Rod Loyola, who is our honorable member of the Legislative Assembly of Alberta for Edmonton-Ellerslie. The sole purpose of this group invitation was to honor and appreciate the senior community members of Pakistan-Canada Association of Edmonton by the Legislative Assembly. The Alberta Legislature building is an iconic building of the city of Edmonton, which was built between 1907 and 1913. This building is a beautiful piece of architecture, both from inside and outside, with spectacular grounds.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. This is the west side entrance to the building, and now we are about to enter. Inside the legislature building, all the group members were given a warm welcome by Mr. Rod Loyola.
Seconds to introduce you, so I won't be able to introduce everybody by name, but I'll be introducing the seniors organization, the things that you're doing. In the future, I would love to continue doing other things where maybe we invite a couple of or a few of you at a time, your families, and we introduce you specifically as your family, okay? We'll work on doing that in the future. Okay, so let's go up one floor. Are there people who can just feel all ready to just walk up? Does anybody need to take the elevator? Okay, so how about we get like the few people that need to take the elevator? Let's get you over to the elevator, and the rest of us will walk upstairs. Please. That was coming over, but then also many of them obviously were Palestinians that were also coming over at that time. And so Islam has had an enormous history here in the province of Alberta, right? Now I know that many Pakistanis, you were coming in maybe 1990s? Is when, even earlier than that?
Yeah, actually came here in 1960.
Okay, 1960. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so then it's really important that we look into this history. We should work together to do a history of Pakistani Muslims in Alberta, so that we can start celebrating that, right? But more importantly, that is what we contribute to the province as a community. Assalamu alaikum. As we continue to live here and make Alberta our home, right? So this is something that we need to focus on.
Now I'm going to show you some views of the rotunda of the legislature building, and this is so much beautiful and stunning. After visiting various portions of the building, especially the stunning rotunda, and completing all the required security formalities, we were taken up to the 4th floor of the building and were seated in the assembly hall, and then the normal assembly proceedings started as per schedule.
The honourable member for Edmonton-Ellerslie.
Mr. Speaker, to you and through you to all the members of the Assembly, it's an honour to introduce 50 members and volunteers of the seniors group of the Pakistan-Canada Association of Edmonton. So many wonderful people. The primary organiser is Arshad Mahmood, who's also the president of the Jaza Relief Canada, a charity serving Canada and Pakistan. I ask them all to rise. Please give them the warm welcome of the Assembly.
On behalf of all the seniors of Pakistan-Canada Association of Edmonton, I would like to thank our Honourable Member of the Legislative Assembly of Alberta, Mr. Loyola, for inviting us to the Legislative Assembly, and will certainly appreciate his dedication and remarkable work to serve the residents of Edmonton-Ellerslie.